Dear students, welcome to one more new video related to 10th standard social science. In this video, let us see preparatory exam paper of Shivamogga district. Four choices are given for each of the questions or incomplete statements. Choose the correct answer and shade the correct choice in the OMR given to you with black or blue ballpoint pen. Question number 81. The trade and commerce between Asia and Europe was taking place through the city of Constantinople. So it was called the gateway of Indian trade, the gateway of Asian trade, the gateway of European trade, the gateway of Arabian trade. 82. The first Anglo-Maratha war ended by this treaty. Salbai, Mangalore, Bessin, Pune. 83. He played important role in formation of Indian National Congress. W.C. Banerjee, A.O. Hume, Dadabhai Navroji, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. 84. The person who killed the British officer in the first war of Indian independence was Udham Singh, Bhagat Singh, Nana Sahib, Mangal Pandey. 85. Maratha paper was published by V.D. Savarkar, Arvind Ghosh, Bala Gangadhar Tilak, Mahatma Gandhi ji. 86. The main reason for Third Anglo-Mysore War was the politics of Travancore, the British attacked Mahe, subsidiary alliance, the British captured Karwar. 87. He is usually presented as the leader of 1857 revolution in Karnataka by the historians. Veerappa of Koppal, Puttabasappa, Sangolli Rayana, Venkatappa Nayaka of Surapura. 88. The post of Superintendent of Police was created by Robert Clive, Lord Cornwallis, Lord Warren Hastings, Lord Dalhousie. 89. The Viceroy, Lord Curzon, divided the Bengal province in 1905. The main reason was name of administration, large geographical area, development, suppressing the spirit of national freedom struggle. 90. He gave the call, go back to Vedas. Jyotiba Phule, Dayananda Saraswati, Swami Vivekananda, Annie Besant. 91. This revolt is considered as an important tribal revolt in India. Revolt of Halagali Bedas, Revolt of Munda, Revolt of Santala, Revolt of Kola. 92. Mahad Tank and Kalaram Temple movements were organized by Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose. 93. Vishala Mysuru state was named as Karnataka in 1953 November 1, 1956 November 1, 1973 November 1st, 1976 November 1st. 94. This bank is known as the Bankers Bank. State Bank, Canara Bank, Syndicate Bank, Reserve Bank of India. 95. The account suitable for a person for a purpose to be saved for a future is savings bank account, current account, recurring deposit account, term deposit account. 96. The person who gave the 4 basic rights to American consumer in 1962 was George Washington, Roosevelt, John F. Kennedy, Bill Clinton. 97. The consumer can sit at home and directly buy the goods from the traders. Offline purchasing, teleshopping, direct purchasing, indirect purchasing. The highest peak in India is the Mount Everest, Armakonda, Anemudi, K2 or Mount Godwin Austen. 99. The highest temperature recorded in India is Ruili, Dras, Mausinram, Ganganagar. 100. Alluvial soils are formed from the sediments deposited by the rivers due to the composition of organic matter derived from basalt rock, weathering of granite and gneiss. 101. A special category of protected area of land or coastal environments are called as Biosphere Reserve, National Park, Wildlife Sanctuaries, Reserve Forest. 102. The longest dam in India is Damodar, Hirakud, Tungabhadra, Bakranangal. 103. The largest producer of rice in India is Punjab, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. 104. This port is known as the Queen of the Arabian Sea. Mumbai, Kandla, New Mangalore, Kochi. 105. Some of the backward regions of Karnataka have been accorded special status by adding Article 371E, 371B, 371A, 371J. 106. The Prime Minister who signed Panchashila principles with Chou En-lai was Indira Gandhi, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Jawaharlal Nehru, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. 107. Pakistan attacks on Indian Parliament House in 2001, 2008, 2011, 2006. 108. The Human Rights Day is celebrated on January 26th, November 1st, December 10th, June 5th. 109. This institution is like Global Parliament of UNO, Security Council, General Assembly, Secretariat, Trustship Council. 110. According to 2011 census, literacy rate among women is 65.46%, but literacy rate of men is 80.14%, 66.45%, 65.56%, 82.14%. 111. Decentralization process is called as Grama Swarajya by Mahatma Gandhi, Nehru, Dr. B. R. Ambedkar, Swami Vivekananda. 112. The prime reason for rural backwardness and poverty of rural areas is employment is not regular, stagnation and slow growth of agriculture, rural industries were already declining, 60% of the people work in primary sector. 113. The first railway line was led between these two places in 1853. Bangalore to Mysore, Bombay to Thane, Kolkata to Raniganj, Chennai to Arkonam. 114. The oldest and still existing newspaper of India is Bombay Samachar, Amrit Bazar, Mangalore Samachar, Prajavani. 115. The city which called as Silicon Valley of India is Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, Kolkata. 116. In India, most of the earthquakes that have occurred earlier were due to hydrostatic pressure of man-made water bodies, plate movement, collapse of underground cave roofs, faulting and folding. 117. The special structure that brings in equal opportunities, openings and social justice in human life is social stratification, gender equality, education, social security. This is one of the main features of unorganized sector. Migration, social security, permanent work, holiday facility. 119. The leader of Narmada Bachao Andolan was Kusuma Swaraba, Sundarlal Bahuguna, Medha Patkar, Panduranga Hegde. 120. Child and Adolescent Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act come into force in 1986, 1970, 1990, 1976. These are 40 MCQ. Let's see the answers. Question number 81. Correct answer is option C, the gateway of European trade. Question number 82. Correct answer is option A, Salbai. 83. Correct answer is option B, A.O. Hume. 84. Correct answer is option D, Mangal Pandey. 85. Option C, Balagangadhar Tilak. 86. Correct answer is option A, The Politics of Travancore. 87. Correct answer is option D, Venkatappa Nayaka of Surapura. 88. Option B, Lord Cornwallis. 89. Option D, Suppressing the Spirit of National Freedom Struggle. 90. Option B, Dayananda Saraswati. 91. Option C, Revolt of Santala. 92. Option B, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 93. Option C, 1973, November 1st. 94. Option D, Reserve Bank of India. 95. Option C, Recurring Deposit Account. 96. Option C, John F. Kennedy. 97. Option B, Teleshopping. 98. Option D, K2 or Mount Godwin Austen. 99. Correct answer is option D, Ganganagar. 100. Correct answer is option A, sediments deposited by the rivers. 101. Correct answer is option A, Biosphere Reserve. 102. Correct answer is option B, Hirakud. 103. Correct answer is option B, West Bengal. 104. Correct answer is option D, Kochi. 105. Correct answer is option D, 371J. 106. Correct answer is option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. 107. Correct answer is option B, 2008. 108. Correct answer is option C, December 10th. 109. Correct answer is option B, General Assembly. 110. Correct answer is option D, 82.14%. 112. Correct answer is option A, Mahatma Gandhi. 112. Correct answer is option B, stagnation and slow growth of agriculture. 113. Correct answer is Bombay to Thane, option B. 114. Correct answer is Bombay Samachar, option A. 115. Correct answer is Bangalore, option C. 116. Plate movement, option B, correct answer. 117. Education, option C, correct answer. 118. Option A, migration. 119. Medha Patkar, option C. 120. Option A, 1986. Special congratulations to those who have scored more marks.